This video is presented by Wosofe. This is a vise for your golf clubs. Now, I don't pay for anything to get done to my golf clubs. I do the work myself. These clubs right here, they need grips. It's really hard to do it without a vise. And this one's real easy. Just tighten it down. Now this thing is ready for me to cut this grip off, retape it, which this vise comes with tape, put the reducer liquid on it, and slide that back on. That easy. Now if you want to work on a head, same thing. You can work on a head with the vise. Lock it down. Now you can heat this off, put a new head on. It's all right here ready for you to work. So I don't know how else you do it. I tried it before without the vise, and it's just really hard to work on golf clubs without this.